Hi, my name is Rodrigo, and I'm going to present the landscape. The first mind map is the landscape. It's all the features of the earth. There are three types of landscapes: mountain landscape, flat landscape, and coastal landscape. Mountains are raised of the earth's surface. This is a mountain. Hills have a lower altitude than mountains. This is a hill. Altitude is the height of something above sea level. This is a photo of altitude. Mountain range is a several mountains grouped together. This is a mountain range. Valleys are low areas between mountains. Rivers are often found in valleys. This is a photo of a valley. Mountain chain is a long line of mountain ranges. This is a photo of a mountain chain. This is a photo of landscape. Plains are large areas of flat land with no hills or slope. This is a photo of a plain. A plateau is a plain at high altitude. This is a photo of a plateau. Depressions are plains which are lower than the surrounding land. This is a photo of depression. Coastal plains are flat land near the coast. This is a photo of coastal plains. The second main map is mountains and plains in Spain. The Iberian Peninsula has many different landscapes. Central Spain is dominated by a large plateau called the Central Plateau. There are mountains to the north, south, and east of the Central Plateau. The Pyrenees is a mountain chain to the north of the Central Plateau. The Betic chain is a mountain chain to the south of the Central Plateau. The Iberian Peninsula has narrow coastal plains. There are two extensive depressions. The Ebro Depression is in the north. The Guadalquivir Depression is in the south. This is a photo of Spain. The third mind map is the coast. The coast is the place where the land meets the sea. There are two types of coast. Low-lying coast are plains by the sea. They often have sandy beaches. Low-lying. This is a photo of low-lying coast. High coast are mountains or high areas by the sea. They often have rocky cliffs. This is a photo of high coast. Types of coastline. Cape is land which extends into the sea. This is a photo of a cape. Gulf is a place where the sea extends into the land. This is a photo of a gulf. Peninsula is land which almost is completely surrounded by water. This is a photo of a peninsula. Island is land which is completely surrounded by water. This is a photo of Iceland. Estuary is the part of a river which opens into the sea. This is a photo of estuary. Archipelago is a group of islands. This is a photo of archipelago. Marsh is wetland near the mouth of a river. This is a photo of marsh. The fourth main map is Spanish coast. Spanish has more in the peninsula 6,000 kilometers of coastline. There are 5 types of coast. Cantabrian coast has rocky cliffs, estuaries and gulf. This is a photo of a Cantabrian coast. Atlantic coast. In the northwest is high and rocky. In the south it is low-lying and sandy. This is a photo of Atlantic coast. Mediterranean coast is low-lying coast and sandy. There are many long beaches. This is a photo of Mediterranean coast. Canary Islands varies greatly. This is a photo of Canary Islands. Balearic Islands. High coast alternate with long beaches. This is a photo of Balearic Islands. I hope you like it. Bye bye.